Hello, hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. I'm gonna start on my laptop in a minute. So can
Oh
you
yeah,
wait?
okay. Okay.
Okay. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna leave and rejoin.
Okay. Hello. Hello.
Okay, I'm back.
Okay, how are you?
I'm doing fine.
Okay. Oh, when you usually finish school?
Um, Usually at like 2 p.m. to 4.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay, so yeah, today is a replacement class for Saturday. So Saturday, yeah, you won't have class and then yeah, you can enjoy your holiday. You will
Okay.
have school holiday, right? On Friday, is that right?
Yep.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, we just start our class. Yeah, wait, let me share screen. Hey, yeah, can you see my screen?
Yeah, yes, I can.
Okay, so yeah, today we learn another topic called strings. Okay, so let's review what we had learned on Saturday. So last Saturday we learned about variables. So variables is a
Yep.
data element that has its own name and used to store data. And
Okay.
then, yeah, this is the example. The variable name is hours. Okay.
Uh,
And then we also learn how to create a good variable name. So should not be too long and should be clear. For yeah, if it's too short, the meaning is unclear and we don't understand what is value inside. And we have to make sure the variable name is not too long. Okay. And then we also learn
yep.
about data types. There are three data types. Integer for number. For decimal, we use float. And the last one is strings. Strings is a data type that contains of character and number and also symbols. Usually it's separate with using single quote or double quote. Okay. So yeah, today we learn about string. Yeah. And we also learn about input. Last week, input is used to get input from the user. Okay. So yeah, today we learn about string. So we can do many things with string. For example, we can determine the length of the string. What is the length of the string? It's like number of characters. And we also can cut or slicing the part of a string. We also can do a searching. Okay. What is the example? This one. So here length, we have a variable called length. Length equals length string. So this is the string. Okay, and the result is 18. Why it's 18? We start counting from A. Yeah, can you start counting from A and also including the space until the exclamation mark. How many character here?
We
The space
the
also.
fantastic place. Oh,
Yeah, 1,
yeah.
space 2, F is 3. Yeah, and continue.
We count the space too.
Yeah, count the space too. Also count
Okay.
this.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Yeah, 18. Yeah, that's why the answer is 18. And then, yeah, so if we print the length is 18. Okay. And for example, we have a sentence here. This is a string. Okay. And then in a string, the string always have index. Index is like the identity of each character. Okay. And index is
Yeah.
always start from 0. Okay, start from 0 instead of 1. So for example, here when for boxing, so W is O, E is 1. So for example, I have a variable called feedback here. Feedback equals to when for boxing, yeah, something. And then I want to get, and I will do like this, feedback, and then index. I use a square bracket, and then I put the number index 0. Then the result will be W. If I want to do feedback, index 5, the result will be
The what?
feedback's index 5.
F.
Yes, good job, F. Okay. So, yeah, symbol, for example, symbol equals to feedback index 0. It will be print W.
Okay.
Yeah, and then we also can slicing the characters. For example, we want to get this whole sentence when for boxing, but we want to ignore a good beach. So how to do it? We do feedback, and then we start with index 0 until we use colon, and then 15. So it
Okay.
will return us when for boxing, and then there is a dot. So that is the how to slicing character or sentence. Until this part, do you have any question?
No, I don't.
Okay, next. Yeah, so for example, like this, when for boxing. Okay, and then we have another sentence. The sentence called "We like paella." So we like Chef Paella. And then if we want to find a characters or we want to find a word, for example, we want to find paella. Yeah, the program will count the index, and then paella. The paella first character is P. Okay.
Okay.
Paella first character is P, and P is in index 16. Okay. And then
Yeah.
if we do feedback.find Pyla, it will return 16 because Pyla starts with P and P is on index 16. Okay. Another question. If we change the sentence, we like the pizza with pineapples. Okay. And then we want to find Pyla. So how to do it if we want to find Pyla? There is no Pyla, right, in the sentence.
No.
Yeah, since we don't have Pyla in the sentence, the program will return -1.
Okay.
Yeah, so if there is no result, automatically it will returns -1. Okay, next. Yeah, okay, now your task. Can you try to predict what is result of position 1 and position 2? So we have a question. We have two sentences, feedback 1 and feedback 2. Position 1 is try to find word cozy. Position 2 also try to find word cozy. What will be the result?
Um, Cozy. I guess 1.
Which one? For position 1 is?
1.
No, we start with 0, right?
Okay.
We always start with index 0. 0, 1, 2, and 3. And how about the position 2?
1. I think.
Also 1. Yeah, in on feedback 2, yeah. So let's see. The first one, it will be -1. Why?
Oh,
Because you find
because it
cozy
doesn't
with
have any, yeah,
why?
because it doesn't have any capitals.
Yeah, so it's totally different. So if you ask for if your sentence is capital, but you find something without capital, yeah, the program cannot find. So it will be -1. And for the second one, it could find, well, yeah, we start counting from hotel 0 until C. C is 8. That's why it returns 8. Okay.
Yeah.
Any question?
No, I don't have any question.
Okay. Oh, another things like if you want to change from capital to lowercase, you can do like this. Feedback, for example, the sentence is feedback. Feedback equals to feedback dot lower. It will transform a whole sentence to lowercase. And how if you want to change lowercase to uppercase, it will be feedback and then dot upper. Okay. Okay. Let's go to the next exercise. Maybe can share screen. We try exercise.
Okay.
Yes, yes, yes. Number 3.
Um,
Oh yeah, it's just Algo coin. So Algo coin is like, yeah, you can exchange with something else.
uh, oh, you can,
Yeah, Robux. Do you play Roblox?
yeah, the,
Oh yeah, yeah. So yeah, if you get a certain point, yeah, you can.
there's nothing.
Okay, okay. We go back to courses. Okay, and then number 3.
Number 3, right?
Yeah, number 1. Okay, try to answer. There are 4 answer. Yeah. Hmm. two more. The element of okay, of fragment can be yes. Okay, good. The square bracket 11. Square, yeah, square bracket.
Oh my gosh. Hold on. My bad.
Okay. Okay, good. Continue. Okay, great job. Next. Okay. Yeah, you read the question. Do you understand what they want?
Uh, sort of a length.
Yeah,
What is length again? I don't remember.
we want to find the length of the character. You can go here, the question. Okay, and then here there is a clue. Yeah, which one that used to? Yeah, this one, this one. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, it's not string, but it's your variables. What is your variables?
Feedback.
Yeah, excellent. Yeah, try. Okay, if that works, if it works, you can try submit. Okay, good. Next. Yeah, please read again.
Hmm.
Yeah, you have to slice this character 2, 7, and 9. Okay, you have how to do it? Yeah, you count. You count from B. B is 0. B is 0, so 2 is
Oh.
0, 1, and so on.
Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11, 12, 13, 14. Hold on. This one is 12, right?
So it's,
Hmm.
you try first. Yeah. You try first. Later you will get them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Yeah, you try. Okay, run. Okay, and then submit. Okay, good job. I understand. Yeah, next.
I'm tired. The sea view.
Yeah, the sea view. So from 0 and then until.
Yeah. Okay. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. I'm just gonna guess.
Try.
Nope.
Okay, too much. Yeah, try. Yes, okay. Great. Next.
The another restaurant is interested. Barbecue chicken burger. Yeah, no. Hmm.
So it's try to find chocolate cake and barbecue. So for example, result one. Result one will be dishes dot find searching one.
What?
Wait, let me give you example. We have to find chocolate cake and barbecue, right?
Yep.
So you need a two variables later. I will just give you one example. One example, the result one will be like this. This is dot find, and then the one that we want to find is chocolate cake. So it's a searching one. Okay, try. Yeah, try. Put any words.
No
Yeah,
man.
okay. We already find chocolate cake. Now you do another one for searching two. Find barbecue.
I guess I can just. Nope.
Yeah, you haven't print. So print searching two, result two.
Alright.
Okay, next.
You need to write a program that searches rather and delicious. Before. You need to make all the letters in the text lowercase. What if Hmm.
Yeah. Almost similar. Yeah, but the difference is you need to do a lowercase first.
Hmm. How
Yeah, how
again?
to set the variable how to set to lowercase. So
No,
feedback underscore low is for lowercase.
for the two of them. For
For
these
this
two.
one, we need to convert this to lowercase. So we continue like this. Feedback low equals feedback dot lower. Okay. And then we can just continue again. Like do the like previous exercise, like result equals to here, result equals, oh no, next, get here. Yeah, result equals to feedback dot, yeah, something like this.
Okay. Okay. What? Oh, man, it's gone.
Yeah, feedback dot lower.
A dot lower, right?
Yeah.
Wait.
Mm.
Where is it again?
Yeah, feedback dot, sorry, feedback low. You already changed to low, right? So feedback underscore low, dot fine, dot fine. Oh, no, no. It's already correct. Feedback underscore low because we use this one instead. Okay. We use this variable now. Yeah, dot find
Huh?
dot find. Yeah, dot find. Yeah, and then open bracket. Yeah, searching one.
And, um,
Yeah, you don't have to really search it. Just put searching one.
oh man, that is very inconvenient. Uh,
Dot find searching one. This one. This one. Open
oops.
bracket searching one.
What the? Oh,
Yeah, okay. And then print.
I'll do the second one first.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Right?
Yes. Oh no. Result one.
Oh,
Print. Okay. You look at the examples. You look at the question. What they want to print. Okay. The searching and also the posi. the searching and the position, right? So it will be print searching 1, comma, result 1. Yeah, yeah. And for the print, use lowercase. This one use lowercase. Yeah, another one is, yeah, another researching tool.
I think that's it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay. How is it? Do you think it's difficult?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. Yeah, you can stop share first. Yeah, we will not doing this one. We continue to the next topic. Yeah. Yeah, of course. Some students find this one is more complicated than the previous topic. Yeah. So yeah, it's normal. Okay. Hey, share screen. Let me share screen. Okay. Oh, before we go to the next topic, do you need to drink water or go to toilet?
Nothing.
Okay. Next, we go to Python interpreter. Okay. What is Python interpreter? So usually, yeah, here there is a program, and then when we run the program, turns out it's error. It give a weird answer. For example, like first hotel convenience rating 3, restaurant food 1 to 5 rating 4, total rating it give you 34 instead of 5. Do you know why it becomes like this?
Mm. Because they add up the 3 and 4.
Yeah, they add 3 and 4, but instead of 7, it gives 34 because the data type is a string.
Yeah.
They didn't convert this into integer. By default, input give you a string. So when you pass string with a string, it will concat instead of do addition. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, for computer, actually, computer only understand 2 language, 0 and 1. We call as a binary. Yeah, 1 is present and 0 is absent. But yeah, 0 and 1, 0 and 1, and so on. But why our computer can understand our instruction? We have menu, we have Windows, we have Microsoft Word. How can computer understand that? So actually, we use interpreter. So when us programmer enter using programming language, and then we run the program, all of our code will translate into 1 and 0. So later the computer can understand our instruction.
Okay.
Okay, so the one who translated is interpreter. So interpreter is a program that recognizes and executes the commands. Okay.
See.
Yeah. So how to convert, how to fix the program previously? Yeah, we use integer. So
Yep.
after using input, we use integer. Okay. So yeah, in string and in number is quite different. Plus, in a string is concat. Okay, so the example is, let me show the example. If, okay, let me type again. If we have 2 string, 3 and 4, it will be 34. Like if it's a string. But if it's a number, 3 plus 4, it will be 7.
Okay.
So this is for plus. How about as- this one? Asterisk. Asterisk is multiplication. So for
Yep.
example, multiplication 3 times 4. Let me find star. Yeah, 3 times 4 is 12. Okay.
Yep.
But how if 3 times 4? Let me times.
I think that's double quotation.
Oh yeah, okay. Wait, 3, eh, 3 times 4. It will be like this. 3, 3, 3. 3, 3, 3, 3. Like this. Okay. So if it's 3 times 4, it will be 3, 3, 3, 3.
If
Multiple
for its
repetition.
quotation, it's 3 and 4.
Sorry?
If the 4 is also in one quotation, it's also gonna be 3 and 4.
Okay, so yeah, cannot. It will be error.
Content. Okay.
Yeah, so if it's like this, if it's a string times a string, cannot, error. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, let's try exercise. Can share screen.
Hmm.
Okay, share screen. Yeah, we are not doing this one. You can go back. Yeah, number 2. Okay, yes, try to answer. Total 4 for answer. Let's see, interpret how an answer based on the data type. Yes. Else. A computer only recognize signal. Yes. Who left? Yes. 1. Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Very good. Continue. Yeah, you put it here. Which one is error? Which one is a string? And which one is number?
Hmm.
Mhm.
Nope.
All. You have to put all.
Oh, you have to put it out.
Mm.
Hmm.
You look at this one. This one is a string, but then they convert it to integer. Okay. Yeah, they one become integer. Next. Okay, good.
That's
Okay, good. Yeah, fix the box. You can try to run the code. Yes.
No.
Yeah. Line number 4 is error. The clue is you have city and then slash and then district slash and writing. So to concat a string, you use plus. So in between, you always use plus. Plus here, plus and plus.
So like this.
Oh yeah, don't delete this. Don't delete this. Yeah, don't delete it.
Where do you put the plus? In behind or the back?
In between here and then here, because it used to concat.
Like this?
Yeah, and then here you need to concat also, and here
Does it need also a space or just like
no
that?
need. It's up to you. You even you put a space or without a space, the program it will ignore it.
Mm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, continue. Yeah, almost similar, but yeah, they want you to concat all the things.
Um, do I need to like do like the 5 one?
Yeah, almost similar, almost.
And uh, oh, okay.
Mm.
Mm. Right.
Right. Try. Okay, why Johnson is error? Because you need a single.
Um, does it need an input on them?
No, a single quote is a string.
Yes.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah. Try again. Okay, why is error? Unsupport integer and string. So integer and string cannot be concat. So if you want to concat, you should convert the integer to a string. Which one is integer here? ID number, surname, or tour?
The numbers.
Yeah, ID number. So you need to convert ID number to a string. How to do it? Yeah, ID number equals to ID str. No, you use str. If you use integer, you convert it into integer. We already integer. So yeah, str. Yeah, and then you put in ID number. Not the number, but ID number. Yes. Okay, try.
Cool.
Yeah, continue.
Or the bonus hidden gem. It's like 0, 4.
Yeah, you haven't print. That's why it's not showing anything.
I keep forgetting about that.
Yeah, it's okay. Oh yeah, what else did you miss? Mm. Almost correct, but yeah, you need to look at the question.
I see.
Don't forget the single quote. And then try first. Okay,
No.
where is error? You need a plus here.
What?
Yeah,
Oh,
between a string. Yeah, try. Um, why it's not working? Oh, yeah, maybe just use comma. Yeah, use comma without. So remove the plus. Remove the plus. Yes. Okay. Try.
okay.
Okay. Okay. Oh yeah, we will not doing this one. Oh, okay. Maybe can do it. Can do it. Try. 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 Yes. I think it's still enough time. Yeah.
Number.
Try to understand what they want in here.
Okay.
Mm.
D- Hold on. What?
Yeah, I think similar.
Hmm. I think we've done this one. Husband side. Don't think I remember.
Okay, so you need to use input. For example, rating ya. Rating equals to input.
What?
You need to put please rate or please evaluate your trip below 1 to 5, right? Yeah. So for example, rating input. Oh, follow the question. Don't follow me. My example. Evaluate your trip.
Okay.
Yeah, follow the example. Yeah. And then after that, create another one. Why? What don't you like about it?
Um. Uh,
Yeah, if you realize when you add single quote here, it become error, yeah? So what you can do is you replace the first one become double quote. So here like this double quote and then what don't, and then you can use single quote inside. Yeah, yeah. Mm. And then yeah, you concat. What is the error? Where is the double quote there? You have to end it with double quote because you started with double quote.
okay.
And not finished yet. You haven't used print. You look at this tasteless bun, tree and tasteless bun. So you need to concat. Print. Mm, rating, yes. Plus. There is a dash, right? If you check again. Use single quote between the dash, right? And then plus. Yes. Okay, try again. Mm-mm. Yeah. Submit. Okay, that's it. What do you think? Can you tell me what you had learned today?
I learned about how to use the input more and the intergen.
Yeah, and also string.
Yeah, string, how string works, and about more of these, I guess.
Yeah. So do you think it's difficult?
And the length.
Yeah. So yeah, I think you just need more practice. So yeah, I think it's like math. The more you practice, yeah, the more you get used to it. You don't have to memorize, just need more practice. Okay. Yeah, I
Yeah.
think that's it for today class. Do you have any other question?
No, I don't.
Okay, if you don't have any other question, that's it for today class. See you next week. Yeah. Bye bye.
Yeah. Thank you.